Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Hamza with Trading Secrets. Hope you all are doing fine. Guys, today I wanted to talk about how hedge funds are basically robbing retail investors of their shares, right? Um, it's something that has been going on for a while, and I don't see anything being done. And retail investors have been targeted, especially by these big hedge funds. So, how exactly do they do it, right? The most common thing that they do is they will start shorting a specific company or a specific stock, right? For example, let's go with Nvidia, right? So let's say we have Nvidia or some other company, right? So we'll go with Nvidia. So let's say Nvidia is trading at $100. I mean, I hope it's not, because it's not, and I hope it doesn't go there. Obviously, I don't think it will. This is just like hypothetical, right? So, and it can be like any stock. Let's say like XYZ, whatever. A stock is trading at $100. Now, what they will do is they will start shorting. They will basically borrow a lot of the shares, like a large quantity of shares, and they will flood the market with it, right? They will sell it, and it will kind of cause like the retail investors, it will cause like a sell-off, and then the stop losses are going to get triggered, and the price will go down. And basically, they're hoping that they will buy it back at a lower price. This is basically what shorting is, and that's how they're targeting the retail investors, and obviously they're profiting when the retail investors and the actual company, they're losing money. Um, and this is shorting, but there's another concept called naked shorting, which is obviously, I think after the 2008 crash, it was banned in the U.S., but it's still, there's loopholes in the system, right? We all know there's a lot of loopholes that you can find in the system. So what they do is they will just they will just short the stock even without borrowing the shares. This is called naked shorting, right? And this will just kill the stock price, and then they can make money all the way when it's going down, and then they'll buy back the cheap shares. Uh, the retail investors, their stop losses are going to trigger, margins are going to be called, and they're going to lose a lot of money. Another thing that is done is it's called dark pools, right? Dark pools, it's a private trading venue. Like, it's private trading that is done outside of the market, and there's like a lot of selling, large selling, which is not disclosed, right, to the public, like to the public market. So, I mean, you cannot. Basically, what it is that you cannot see all these big sell orders, and that could just once they come in, it could just cause like a flash crash or a mini crash, or the stock price can just it can just it can just fall down really really fast. It can plummet. But that's just how they come after your shares. So now, what can you do to protect yourself, right? Um, the first thing that you can do is, when you have a stock and it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, uh, just have some stop losses, right? You can have some stop losses. Everybody has a different strategy, right? But what you can do is you can have some stop losses in case the stock starts to fall down. It just you just basically just gets you out. Your shares are going to get sold. But the risk with this is that the stock, you're going to lose your position, and then if it bounces back, it's going to be, sometimes it can be so quick, because obviously they're making money to the downside, and then they're making money to the upside, so they're going to drive it back up, and then you don't have time to buy back your shares. So this might not really work that well. Another thing you can do is that you can take some profits, guys. Take some profits when it's going up. Just take some profits, and then just set some limit orders on the way down. You know, when they're doing it, try to set some random limit orders, right? Just see where the stock can fall. You know, just can fall to. Just have some random limit orders set on your favorite stocks. So in case like something like this happens or the stock just goes down really fast, you have those orders that can get filled, and then you can make money when they take the stock back up, right? Because obviously they're breaking it down, they're shorting it, and then once it's down, they want to make money both ways, so they're going to start buying at that at the low level, and then they're going to drive it up. That's what happened in the flash crash in crypto a few weeks ago when they made the money while Bitcoin, they started shorting it, and then to like 103,000 or something, and then it went down there, and then from there they stopped shorting it after Trump announced the tariffs and everything. They just started buying it back, and then it took them back up. So basically, they made money when the stock was going down, and then they made money while it was going back up. So especially if you're dealing in like very volatile stocks or crypto, crypto is generally very volatile, right? Because the market never closes; it's 24/7. So you know, and I believe this this tariff news when Trump did the announcement was also I think it was after market closed on Friday. The market wasn't open. So their stocks were not affected by that, but crypto was, because it was after hours, right? The stock market was closed, but the crypto market, you know, it never closes. So a lot of crypto traders, they got liquidated. They lost everything. So I just wanted to make a short video. I know it's the weekend, but I just wanted to do this video and let you guys know. Just basically, it's just more like making you guys aware of what these big hedge funds are doing and what they can do, and then hopefully you guys can tread more carefully in the future. And because obviously this is all I want for all my viewers and all of the retail investors, including myself, that we secure ourselves, guys, because we gotta, this is real money we've made. We worked very hard for this money, and we wanna make sure that we protect our money, our wealth, and we don't want to have an event where we end up losing everything, or losing a lot or a significant amount of our savings, right, guys? These are, some people, it's life savings for them, So if I'm hoping this content can help somebody. I know I'm a new channel, but I have been doing this for a long time. I've been trading for a long time. I've traded stocks, crypto, general merchandise, real estate, and it's my passion. And I wanna help people out there. And guys, if there's any topic that you want me to cover, write in the comments below, and I will try my best to cover that. And guys, like the channel, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends who you think can benefit from this kind of content, or anyone else that that might be interested. Guys, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will see you all next time.